These are some of the tools I used in the videos. And the turbo knife, very cool. Score them at your sponsor. Keep cooking. The cut glove, stainless steel, small little circles, hand finished, hand welded, made in the USA. Adjustable snap, can tighten this up if you want to around your wrist. Each one does have a serial number as well. It's made to last forever. So when you're cutting a fish or butchering and you're going towards yourself, you have nothing to worry about when you have this glove on. It's not going to puncture, it's not going to cut through. The knife, very, very sharp like a razor. The glove stops it, so you're safe with this on. So this is what's recommended for butchering and for large fish, slippery things like that. If you want to take it down a level, you can do that as well. We have another glove that's specifically exclusive again, and it's made in the USA. Same deal right here. So this has got braided stainless steel fibers. Again, it's going to stop the knife. You're not going to cut through here. So it's a pretty tough glove. I've used one of these for like, I don't know, almost 10 years. It's still going, no rips. Pretty amazing. Micro stainless steel fibers in there. So the knife stops. That's a coating on the outside to keep your hand comfortable. So that's it. If you need any of these items, just check your sponsor right there and you can find them. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Spread your knowledge of food and great things to the world.